good lead by the batsman.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
That's into the gap. Should look for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to the speed.
In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
That's 6. Picked up the length very early.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. He has gone for a loose stroke.
Has to walk back to the pavilion.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
Not just enforcing.
That is huge beat. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. White ball signaled by the umpire.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
That is a very quick signal taken. That is huge field. bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt. Oh, shot, but only a single. Spinner into the action from the other end. Slips in place. They have run the first one quick. Chance of a run out, and that looks very close. Has to walk back to the pavilion. That was such a waste of a wicket.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.
Singles and doubles would not be enough at this stage. That is six. That is just magnificent batting.
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next?
Straight up in the air, and that's a six.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. Great shot. He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for two. That is outstanding. What a match this has been. It's a jam-packed stadium here today, witnessing an edge-of-the-seat thriller here. Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way.
This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. Oh, that must have really hurt. Bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he goes to the field. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a six. And that's it. A brilliant performance from the bowlers. They've bowled good lines all day. In the end,
Let's go.